So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix something went wrong on Snapchat. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you have to do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, click on it like this and then click on this option here. As you can see, when you click on it, now your app is gonna be stopped, and after that go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and then go to the open by default option. Click here on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. After that, go to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.